Hello and welcome to Module 4, which is all about Excel statistical functions. My name's Avis and I'm going to be taking you through the various different topics that we have today, including using those basic statistical functions to sum, count and find the average of a range of cells. Looking at criteria in functions, for example, if you just want to have a conditional function where you only count or only sum something if it matches those criteria. And we'll also take a look at referencing some data by looking it up into a standard range of information, and that will be using the XLOOKUP function. Okay, let's get started. The first sheet in here then is a little bit about, it's a bit of a recap really, because there are certain things that you need to know in order to progress through the functions that we're going to be looking at today. So we've got some pay details, 4 people, different hours, different rates, we know how much they've done. We're going to calculate their gross pay based on those values. So I'm going to start off my simple calculation, my formula, start it off with the equals, and then we take the hours and we multiply it with the asterisk by the rate. Enter that in to give us the gross figure, first of all, for Sally. If I copy that down using my autofill, you're probably aware that it does change the cell references because it started off looking at B4 multiplied by C4 for Sally. I've copied it down here and it's now looking to B5 multiplied by C5, which is great because it helps us. It's looking now at Jeff's values. If I move down again, right to the bottom, just a double checking with Fred, it's actually putting those figures in as well. And if I just press the right key, you'll see it's B7 multiplied by C7 for Fred.